New experience. New experience. What are the what are the new things that you've learned? Meron bang mga bagay ka na natututunan that triggered ang tawag natin dito ay development of new synapses. Tinatawag nating neuroplasticity. No? So ano ba yung neuroplasticity? Neural pathways connect relatively distant areas of the brain or nervous system. Each pathway is associated with a particular action or behavior. New thoughts and skill carve out new pathways. So may mga bagay na sa umpisa, mahihirapan ka, pero masasanay ka. Tayo po tayong lahat. Let's all stand up. Do a quick exercise. Okay? Simple lang, Sundin nyo yung sinasabi ko, no? Okay, sundin nyo yung sinasabi ko. Pay attention, look at me, pay attention. Ilong, bibig. Bibig. Tenga. Nalito na si... Okay. Tenga. Mata. Okay. Tenga, mata. Okay. Okay. Mata, pisngi, batok. Di ba? Sige po, thank you. Please take a seat. If we play that game long enough, you'll figure it out. No, you'll stop tuning out to what you're seeing. They pay attention to what you're hearing. Di ba? So, each new experience create new synapses. And sabi rito, repetition and practice strengthen these pathways, forming new habits. Kaya tayo may capstone dito sa training na ito. Dahil today and tomorrow's session can easily dissipate. Sabi dito, old pathways get useless and weakened. So, yung matututunan nyo dito, hopefully creates new synapses in your brain. Right?